Gold and US30 is currently doing something, and in this video I'm gonna go over what it's doing and the move that I'm anticipating before it even happens. So let's go. Let's see what's going on here. For gold, this is gold right now, and let's just start with the daily time frame. So on gold, I'm seeing a lower high here. I'm seeing a lower high right here. Let's just zoom this up. Lower high on the daily, and then price actually broke this low here. So from this green candle here, price broke this low, creating a lower low, right? So price has a lower high and a lower low. So we go to the 4 hour. I'm seeing that this here was the last high. Price broke this low here, and price is coming to create a lower high. So let's just see here. So what I'm waiting for, I'm not in a trade right now. So what I'm waiting for is price to create that lower high, which it did. Price create the lower high right here. But what really confirms this, or where I would enter, is back under that level where price initially broke out from. So this level of buyers right here, which is this black line here, as you can see, a 4 hour indication here. Indication means price broke a high or a low. So but below this level, which I have an alert, that's where I would enter for a sell. That's where I would enter for a sell. So what I'm looking for here on the 1 hour, so the daily is bearish, the 4 hour is bearish, as you can see. This is the last high, lower low. This is the last low that it broke. That's why I use this low and not this low. I use that low because that's the lowest low. The four hour is bearish. The 1 hour was going up, right? So all I'm doing is waiting on the 1 hour to go bearish also. So this is the last high and this is the last low. So if the 1 hour broke this low here, remember in a downtrend price breaks lows. So if the 1 hour broke this low here, and it looks like it's creating a lower high also in this little region here, as you can see on the 15-minute. But once the 1 hour break this low here, I'm gonna go for a sell. So this is a lower high, lower low, lower high. So I am expecting a lower low, which is gonna be down here at this black line here. I could even go on the daily to see, which is this black line here. I'm going for that wick, and if you break that wick, you know it's gonna be this body here. So somewhere in this region, it sell to that region there. So from under that black line to that black line to that gray zone or the black line. So let's see what happened. Let's see if price failed to go any higher than this, but below this level we go for a sell. So it's now 4:30. Market is gonna close. Let's see what happened after, or even tomorrow. Okay. So for US30, actually do something. So for US30, we have a high here that got broken, which is here. This was a low, right? We'll create a higher high, then price come back down here. So now on the 4 hour, price is bullish. Price create a higher low right here. Price create a higher low right here, and let me just click this here, lock this. Price create a higher low right here, and then and the 1 hour is currently going up. You can see higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So back above that point which the alert is at, I'm gonna go for a sell to create a higher high. So maybe to go to here, or if we go on the 4 hour, the next high would be all the way up here. So the next high would be here. Now we know US30 is good for making those big moves. So let's see what happens. So a low, higher high, price break this high, higher low here. Then I'll go for the buy back above that zone. Yeah, so that's it for that. That's it for that right there. So all we gotta do now is just wait. All we gotta do is wait. So US30 looking for a buy back above that level. Gold looking for a sell back below this level. So let's see. So let's see what happens. That's it. Just a short video. That's it. That's it for that.